Hello people and welcome back to Collin Dashcam channel. We'll start today's episode off with a road rage in which a pickup truck driver forced his way in front of the camera and brake checked him for no reason. In this video, the camera caught a crazy lady trying to undress in the middle of the road and on a broad daylight.
Oh, what the dog. What the are you doing? Oh no, don't get naked. I can't put this on YouTube.
The driver in a pickup truck didn't look at his mirrors while changing lanes and he almost caused an accident.
In mine.
You missed chip driving.
It's not playing. So that.
No, it's okay. You have to play it from the phone.
Oh my god, idiot!
Oh my gosh.
You're right, I should say oh my
That was
gosh.
so scary.
Pay close attention at the vehicle in front of the camera. The driver was not paying attention, and when the driver in front of him stopped, he panicked, swerved to the side, and caused a heavy wreck.
So take the letter back. Sir, tell me about this car deal.
It all started out with my oldest stepdaughter.
Moron?
Back, so I spent $1,500.
Pay close attention at a semi-truck driver who pulled out onto the road without looking. He forced another vehicle to swerve into another lane, and the camera got also nearly caught up in it. We would advise you to never tailgate another vehicle, because you can never know who or what might pop onto the road. Camera caught a rude driver on his GoPro. This guy was driving on the wrong side of the road, and the camera reported the case to the police.
The reputation. If people have done illegal things, then there are avenues for others. We'll be focusing our attention on the board and the
During a wet morning commute on Monday, September 25th, 2023, a driver approached at a high rate of speed behind, losing control on the wet pavement and making contact with a median on Lakeshore Drive. That contact I could hear, and I looked in the rearview mirror and saw the vehicle sideways. I zoomed in at 200% and slowed the video down to 30% to try to show it a little bit better, but the wet window doesn't help anything. The driver lost control at this point. He slides into my lane a little bit and then makes contact with the median. Thankfully I wasn't beside him, but I did hear the impact and it made me wonder if there had been contact with me.
I was crossing the street when I met the love of my life. I chased after her. Nothing would stand in my way. Not the dog walker, nor the hot dog vendor. Finally reaching her, I asked, "What do you call that amazing smell?"
Skate flings.
Okay, Garmin.
Flings.
Same video.
My love had a name, but more importantly.
Crazy driver in a pickup truck dangerously passed the camera for no reason. But not only that, as soon as he got in front of him, he brake checked the camera, nearly causing an accident. Truck driver was definitely not happy that the car was speeding on the road, and he took matters in his own hands and tried to act like a police officer.
Oh shit! Damn!
And with this clip we conclude yet another epic episode on Collin Dashcam channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, feel free to leave a like, because that's the only thing that can help us grow. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content I put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.